where the sea meets the sky, lies a land forgotten where time passed by. Over hills and vines, through shadows and flames, a silent story lives without a name. Misty wheels in forest beds, trains asleep in green instead. Cockpits crack but stars still shine, a world once bold now lost to time. Whispers of a lost island echo through the trees, carried on the ocean wind, drifting with the leaves. They built a dream of metal and light, now it sleeps beneath the vines, out of sight. Footsteps faded, yet spirits stay in broken cars where lions lay. A bus once full of human song now echoes hyenas all night long. A plane lies shattered in jungle green, where baby birds in seats are seen. The city's heart still gently beats through roaring winds and jungle streets. Whispers of the lost island echo through the trees, carried on the ocean wind, drifting with the leaves. They built a dream of metal and light, now it sleeps beneath the vines, out of sight. Walls of glass turned into moss, a jungle throne of iron and loss. Yet in this ruin, life takes bloom. In every crack there's living room. Through silent seas, through hollow shells and rusted wings, nature claimed what man had planned, a paradise shaped by no one's hand. Whispers of the lost island echo through the trees, colored trees, carried on the ocean wind, drifting with the leaves. They built a dream of metal and light, now it sleeps beneath the vines, out of sight. Whispers of a lost island echo through the trees, carried on the ocean wind, drifting with the leaves. They built a dream of metal and light, now it sleeps beneath the vines, out of sight. Plane lies shattered in jungle green, where baby birds in seats are seen. The city's heart still gently beats through roaring winds and jungle streets.